So here's the first step in the process. I look at the 50-day and 100-day moving average. And this is the 50-day average, and of course it's above the 100-day average in this move right here. So that's the first step in my selection process for CRE. Once I check the 50-day and 100-day, then I always check the 1 month and 20 month. And this is for the stock CRE. So you can check this 1 month and 20 month for each stock that you're looking at. And here's the 1 month price, and it went above the 20-month EMA around the $22 level in February of last year. So it's trading down around 65, so that was a pretty good buy signal. And again, the time frame for this, all you want to look at when you're looking at this, Joe, is today. Where is it today? And you can see today it's obviously in a buy signal because here's the 1 month price above the 20-month EMA. Okay, so at any given time, there could be hundreds of stocks in a price uptrend. So we use trend confirmation indicators that kind of help you narrow down the list of stocks. And I usually narrow these down to a stock in each different industry. And there's four things I use. I use volume. I check the volume of the stock. And I'm going to show you a really good indicator for that, which is very effective, and it tells you if the price trend can be sustained. We also look at the new 52-week high list if we're looking to buy, and of course we look at the 52-week low list if we're going to go short. And the industry grouping, that's also important, and we'll explore that. And then also there's one more indicator which I call the price level confirmation. So these are the four things I use whenever I'm going to take a trade. First I check the trend, then I confirm the trend with these four confirmation indicators. Now, to check the volume, my favorite indicator is the on-balance volume, which measures the volume flow. Now, when a stock or ETF, when it closes up for the day, volume is added to this on-balance volume line. And when a stock closes down for the day, volume is subtracted from the line. So when you do these additions and subtractions, you'll see in a second here, it forms a line that tells you the volume flow, whether it's up or down. Okay, so again, when the close is up, volume's added to the line. When the close is down, volume is subtracted from the line. Now, here's the on-balance volume line right here. And the numerical value of the on-balance volume line really is not important. The only thing you want to see is if you're looking to buy a stock, you only want to see this line trending up. That's all you're looking for. And if you're trending up, if this line is trending up, then that confirms this price uptrend when you get the on-balance volume line trending up. It's a confirmation indicator. So an upsloping, and right here we have an upsloping line, indicates the volume's heavier on up days and buying pressure is exceeding selling pressure. And that's a sign that this trend can continue if your on-balance volume line is also trending up. So it tells you whether the trend can be sustained. So a confirmed, using the on-balance volume line, a confirmed uptrend for CRE would be the stock price is trending up, which it is, And volume is increasing on days a stock closes up, and volume is decreasing on days a stock closes down. And we can see that right here because we have an uptrending on balance volume line.
Question?
Yes.
Does it matter for your purposes how long a particular stock has been in this posture?
That's a good question. David's question is, does it matter how long CRE has been? Now, it went on a buy signal back here, and that's a great question. When I'm looking at this, what time frame am I looking for? In other words, this had a buy signal way back here. And to answer your question, I will look at a stock even several months past the buy signal. And what I do is if it's, let's say I entered somewhere in here, and the buy signal was down here, you know, 3 or 4 months prior, I'll take the signal here if I have my other trend confirmation that confirms the trend, and I use the money management rules. In other words, you can enter after the buy signal as long as you use the other confirmation indicators and use the money management rules. Now, another good confirmation indicator is the 52-week high list if you're going to go long a stock. And then if you're going to go short a stock, we'll see that in a minute, you want to look at the 52-week low list. A stock that makes a new 52-week high confirms the price uptrend. And that allows you to narrow your list down even further. And here's another example of CRE. Now, each one of these is a 52-week high. So you can see that it's been making a series of 52-week highs. So the 52-week high indicator just confirms the price uptrend. It allows you to narrow the list down a little further. And when used in conjunction with the other confirmation indicators, helps you select your stocks. Now, the 52-week high list is easily available on msn.com. If you just go to the stock analysis and select new 52-week highs, and we'll see